Hey everyone, I'm Michael, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about OkCoin and how to earn some passive income with this site. I am absolutely in love with this site. I love everything about it. It's super simple, super clean, easy to navigate, and right now there's a link down below. If you click on it and you follow these basic requirements of creating a brand new account, depositing $100 within the first 30 days of your account opening, and you reach level 2 verification, which in my experience, all of this took about 10 minutes to complete, you will receive a $50 reward in Bitcoin. So if you want to take advantage of this, I have my referral link down below to get started today. Complete these steps, which all the information will be down in the YouTube description. Get started today and get that free $50 in Bitcoin. But that's just one of the small features of why I love OkCoin. Let me go ahead and log into my account. I'll give you a little short, quick tour of the dashboard, and I'll show you the mobile app as well so that you can get started today. So here we are on the desktop version. I will pop up my OkCoin version on the mobile device. And as you can see on the desktop, it's a very clean, very easy to navigate interface. We've got a dashboard, which is what we're looking at now. You can view the different prices of the different cryptocurrencies by clicking on prices. If you want to trade some crypto, you click trade. But the thing we'll be talking about today is this earn tab. Now, I wrote an article about 2 months ago on staking this MiamiCoin and how I was able to earn over 430%. Right now, you'll see it's 280%. That's because these APYs are not guaranteed. But I'll link down below to that article where I earned more than 430% in just 15 days' time. This is one of the great ways to earn some passive income is to buy the coins that you will be rewarded in just from holding them in your account. Now on the mobile device, you can see we have this trading platform here, and this is the Pro version. If you wanted to switch to the basic version, up here in the upper left-hand corner, you'll click your little profile icon. You'll come down here to the bottom, and you will tap Switch to Basic. This to me is a much easier interface for new people to use, but if you're familiar with different cryptocurrency exchanges and you want to switch to the Pro version, just go back to your account in mobile and then click Switch to Pro. It's super simple and easy to navigate. In the mobile app, down here on the asset, click on that. You have 3 different ways. You have a funding account, a trading account, and a spot account. The accounts we'll be talking about today are funding and trading. And it's really simple. The funding account is where your money goes in to begin with, and then you can easily transfer that money from the funding account into your trading account to start trading. So if we were to connect a bank account, we would click this deposit tab right in the funding account area. You can either click on it from this space right here on this page, or you can tap the funding on the top and then click deposit. Now there are a couple of ways to deposit funds. You can do an instant transfer like an ACH from a bank account or a wire transfer. You have the option of sending in some crypto, and you could also do some internal transactions. That's if you already have some money in your account. Today we'll be talking about the instant transfer, the bank account version. We'll just tap on that. And you can see that my bank account is currently selected. If you didn't have a bank account here, you would just click to add a new payment method. Follow the simple, easy to understand steps, click continue, and you'll be able to deposit funds today. If you do want to take advantage of that $50 bonus in Bitcoin, you must have a new account, deposit $100 within the first 30 days of your account opening, and be able to reach level 2 verification, which means you'll have to take pictures of your driver's license and everything like that. It's really simple, really easy to do. And if you don't want to do this and you don't like the KYC verification, you don't have to go through with this, but you won't get that $50 Bitcoin reward. After you've deposited some money, it will show up in your funding account. So if we click on Overview on the top here, or if you are on the desktop, you'll come up here under the Assets tab, and you'll click on My Assets. When you click on the Assets tab, you'll then come to your funding account. You can see that I have some in my funding account, but my funding account is consisted of a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. If I wanted to deposit some money into this funding account, like I showed you before, you would simply click Deposit. You would type the currency that you want to do. For me, it would be USD. For you, it could be something else. And then here you will add a payment method by clicking this little button here. And then you can choose, like we saw on the mobile app, either an instant transfer or a wire transfer. You'd follow the same steps as before in the mobile app where you connect your bank account. As you can see, we have this plaid pop-up here. This is just the middleman. You connect OkCoin to your bank account and you can link a new bank account. You can search for your bank account. For me, I have Ally, so I would just search for Ally. Then I would type in my bank's username and password. Everything is secure. You don't need to worry about that. But once you've connected your bank account, you will have a way to deposit some funds in your account. Really simple to do. You just type the amount that you want to deposit and then click submit. But once you have some funds in your funding account, you then need to move those funds into your trading account. And on the desktop version, you can do that by clicking the transfer button. For me, if you look down here, I don't have any USD in my account, so I'm not going to be able to transfer anything in there now. But if I were to deposit some funds today in USD or whichever currency I wanted, I would simply come up here to transfer and then click on transfer. And then I would choose what asset I wanted to transfer from. So in my case, I would select USD, and then it would be coming from my funding account where I just deposited some funds, and then I'd be sending into my trading account. And then I could transfer all or a little bit here and then click on transfer. Once that is complete, you will now have some money in your trading account to make some trades. Now let's come up here. After you've done all of that process and you've been able to successfully deposit the $100 so that you qualify for the $50 in free Bitcoin, let's come up here to the Earn tab. You can also find the Earn tab in the mobile app. Let's go ahead and click the Home tab and then go up to our profile icon, slide down and click Switch to Basic. This is just a little bit easier in my opinion, but you don't have to use Basic. You can use the Pro version if you feel like you are a Pro. I feel like I'm still in the Basic level, so that's why I'm staying with Basic. So on the home page of the Basic mobile app, you can tap where it says Earn. Right now you can see I am currently invested in MiamiCoin. I bought 3,600 MiamiCoin, and right now it's locked in a 15-day cycle where it's going to give me about 280% in returns. This cycle unlocks tomorrow, November 25th, Thanksgiving, and then it'll take about 2 days for the funds to be returned to my account. But when the funds are returned into my account, we'll go ahead and click back here. If we come down here onto the Buy Crypto section, when my MiamiCoin gets back into my account, I will also receive some of this Stacks token as a reward. So that's really exciting that when you do the MiamiCoin staking or the reward section, like you can see here on the desktop version, you get this percentage in the MiamiCoin, but you are rewarded in this STX or Stacks token. It's just a really cool way, and I'll link to that article that I wrote down below for you to check out, see how you can actually earn a good APY right now. But if we scroll down on the desktop, you can see all of the different ways that you can earn. The really cool thing is when you stake or you get rewarded with this MiamiCoin and you are rewarded with this Stacks token, you can then take the stacks that you get here and you can earn 10% on them. And the cool thing about that is when you put in some money for the stacks and you deposit those funds that you've earned from up here, you actually are rewarded in Bitcoin. So it's a long process, but it's actually quite simple. You put some money into MiamiCoin, you get rewarded in stacks. You put the stacks in here and you're rewarded in Bitcoin. This term is fixed, meaning it's either going to be a 15-day cycle or a 25-week cycle. I have always opted in for the 15-day cycle, but I may try a 25-week cycle just to see how the rewards go, but just know that you're going to be getting about 10% rewards in the form of Bitcoin. There's some other cool coins and tokens. You can see down here, 5% for Solana, Tron, you've got 5.9%. Algo is 14%, so I've got some Algo actually. I might actually put some money in here today and start getting that 14% rewards. And you can see that with MATIC, PolkaDot, Tezos, there are some pretty high annual returns. And they do have a lot of different options for you to get rewarded. It's just a really simple way to earn some passive income. So if you are going to deposit some funds in one of these accounts, like let's say you had some Algo or some Polygon MATIC or some PolkaDot, you could deposit your funds today, put that $100 in, get that free $50 in Bitcoin, and then get these extra rewards, it just makes sense. And that's really all there is to it. It's super simple to get started today. If you are interested in getting that $50 reward, just make sure that you create a brand new account, you deposit $100 within 30 days of creating that account, and that you reach level 2 verification. Once you complete all 3 of these steps, $50 in Bitcoin should appear in your account a few days later, and that's $50. Bitcoin is expected to go up in the next couple of months, so that $50 that you get for free might actually be worth $100 in a couple of months, which to me is a really great value. So check out the links below to get started today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Overall, I hope this was a good explanation, and a very simple one at that, on how to get started today with OkCoin, how to make $50 in Bitcoin right now, and how to actually earn some passive income by taking advantage of this passive income strategy that they have here. Earning here is super simple, and I really hope you take advantage of it because this is free money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.